Got these little clamps here that I made, welded this on here so that this swivel part can be on the outside. A lot easier to get to. Works great. Let me pull this cover out. What we got is a little bottom of the leg that when it gets wet swells up. Give you a better view. All the fines and FM flow to the bottom. We got to clean that out, or when it rains it freezes, and then it freezes those buckets in there. That's why we got to clean this out before it rains. Doesn't matter if it rains, it's when it refreezes. The finished product, cleaned out the bottom. There's some little bit froze on the bottom, but that isn't going to affect anything. We got all the corn out of there, so now if it rains the water can run out the bottom and not soak in this corn and FM, and then when it swells up it won't let these buckets turn, so should be good to haul corn again after the rain. Now with all the rain coming, I've got this big pile of snow that we pushed up over the winter, and this is where all the rain and water comes through the yard, runs down through here and out through that way. Well, with all the snow here, it's gonna pond up in the yard if I don't push this snow back, so we got to work on that today before this rain comes. Can't get a ride in the skid loader till we get 1 million subscribers. Should have a good alleyway for the water to run through here now and get out, go through the trees over there. That'll keep it from ponding in the yard. Not supposed to get 1 inch in the winter time of rain. I'd rather take a foot of snow than rain. Right, Maxie? A good Sunday afternoon. Finally got above freezing again for a little while. Got rain coming in tonight, which is not good, but got a chance to clean up the truck from the hauling in that blizzard the other day. Got all covered with bees wings and snow. Got her washed off. So we'll run her in the shop and vacuum it out and be ready for the next time. I maybe said this on a previous video, but I am addicted to Milwaukee tools. This vacuum is really nice. You don't have to string out any cords. Vacuum it out. Works really good. Like I said, don't have to hassle with a shop vac and cords. Highly recommend them. They work good. Morning. February 27th. Had a half to 3/4 of an inch of rain overnight on frozen ground, so we've got ponds, a lot of ponds. Not a good time of the year to get rain. Well, my Milwaukee addiction keeps going. Got a 3/8 angle impact wrench today. It's going to be nice for on the strip till bar. We can get in between the row units instead of having to hold up every disc blade. Well, of course, I washed the truck yesterday. We had almost an inch of rain last night, above freezing. Gravel roads are a mess, but I got corn to haul and I have a day off from the pile, so Max says we got to haul today. Got to get her done, or work on it. We won't get done today, but it's almost noon already. I waited for the rain to stop anyway. But we'll get the truck all dirty. Well, not exactly the conditions I wanted to drive the new truck in, but I guess you don't buy it to look at it. You gotta use it. Got corn to haul. Gotta get her done. They have postponed the pile till Wednesday now. Been kind of spitting rain today, this afternoon again, which is making things a little more miserable. When you get an inch of rain and the ground's frozen, you get a lot of water on it. It's full of water down in the low ground here. Good morning. February 28th. You can see all the ponds we have from the rain we had. Just about an inch frozen ground. It all ponded up on us. Don't think it really did any good for the ground subsoil moisture, but moisture's moisture. Well, time to do chores. All my mouse catchers, got to give them a little extra food. Oh, here comes Max. He wants part of the food too. No pile today. They're loading train down there, finishing a train, I think. So I'm going to work on my March contract. Got 15 loads to go yet. It's frozen right now, but it's supposed to get above freezing, so I'm guessing the road, gravel road, and yard are going to give out again. You can see where we tracked it up yesterday. Load number 5. Pulling out of 2 bins at the same time. Makes it go pretty fast. Load number 9 for the day. But look at the truck, all dirty again. I don't think I'm going to wash it tonight because it's supposed to be this kind of 30s, 40s, 20 overnight, 30, upper 30s during the day. Just going to get like this all the time. Might as well wait till I'm done now. Morning. We got pile going today, but Ryan's going to run the excavator so I can haul my last of my March contract. I got 7 loads. But you can see it snowed last night and the blacktops are really slippery. I think I'm going to load this up and wait another half hour before I get trucking. Hate to put this truck in the rhubarb. That's what's going on today. Got Ryan running pile today on the excavator. Greg Holt in the red tractor. Maxie and I are dumping corn from the farm. Taking up one of the pits, which is not good. Not good, slowing up the pile. But I got to get my contract filled. Well, I got my 7 loads hauled in, got my March contract done. Now we're back in the excavator for another hour, finish out the day. Took over for Ryan. Yeah. Boy, this pile just keeps going slower and slower, it seems like. Morning. Back at the corn pile. After an inch of rain on here. Of course, course, we've got some wet corn this morning. Ryan ran yesterday. You can see the fines, FM, and all that stuff is sticking up in the middle. Working on that today. Got an avalanche headed my way. Avalanche of corn coming down.